we're going to do a medley of teriyaki chicken strips that I've been marinating overnight with a little bit of honey and teriyaki. Okay, nothing spectacular, just a simple sauce. JoJo potatoes, definitely gotta have those. And I'm gonna top it with scallion onion with black pepper, tastefully simple malt vinegar French fry seasoning. Yeah, and of course gotta have some basil. Our grill is nice and hot. So what I'm gonna do for starters is take some of this French fry seasoning and we're just gonna put a little bit on there. Okay. Yes. Alright. Let's get the potatoes started. Okay. We're going to close the cover on this. And we're going to get our chicken ready. Okay, let's do our chicken. I turned my potatoes 1/4 turn. Now we're going to get that chicken going. Okay, chicken strips. Simple but delicious. Just going to lay them on the grill. That over a little bit. Now that everything's on the grill, we're going to close the cover for just a little bit. A few minutes. Okay. We're going to turn our chicken. But let's check out these fries. They're almost there. Okay, so let's turn this. Look at that. Let's just do the back side of the potatoes a little bit. Close the cover and go a few more minutes. As you can see, the potatoes are done. So we're going to take those off. Oh yeah. Yeah. And I got a few pieces of chicken that are done. There you go. There we go. Mike's teriyaki grilled chicken covered with scallion onions and JoJo potatoes with malt vinegar French fry seasoning.